Hello everyone, I am Sonali and this is the most beautiful and unique waterfall you are seeing behind me. It's a small waterfall in about 300 meter north of the bigger waterfall named Gljúfrafoss in Iceland. The Gljúfrafoss waterfall is partially hidden by the cliff rocks which makes it look like it's inside the cave. Once you get inside it, the beautiful view of Gljúfrafoss is at its best. But before going inside, just make sure you have waterproof footwear and jacket because you'll walk out drenched in water. But trust me, it's worth it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please subscribe to Sona's Space. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much.